Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's continue. Um, in this video, we're going to explain, uh, the Volter phase. As we explained before, we already know that Volter has three phase. Not only water, but every material in this earth, on this earth, commonly has three kind of phases. The first one is solid, and then it will transform into liquid, and then it will transform again to gas. Okay. And in this video we are going to specific talk about the water phase. Okay. Nah, um let's read this first. You put a block of ice initially at minus 20 degrees of Celsius in a pan on a hot stove with a constant power output, and heat it until it has melted, boiled, and evaporated. Yeah. And then we are asked, to make a sketch of temperature versus time for this experiment. Okay, so uh this is the pan. The pan. So this is the pan. Or in bahasa Indonesia it is called with panci. And then we heat it, using fire. And then we have ice block here. Oh. Yeah, we have ice block here. So this is the ice block, and the initial temperature, of the ice block is minus 20 degrees of Celsius. Initial. Okay, so logically, when the ice is heated, in a fire, um, the temperature will raise, from minus 20 degrees of Celsius into a temperature with the higher point. Okay, so if we make some kind of timeline, so the ice condition, this is ice block, which is the solid. The face of the ice block is solid, and then we put and then the temperature is minus 20 degrees of Celsius. Okay, but okay. Before I talk about this, I want to explain you, about the uh, melting, and then um, boiling and evaporation. Melting is okay. So actually, okay, boiling. Melting is a process of phase transformation, from solid to uh, liquid, yeah. And for water, this process, yeah, will happen at 0 degree of Celsius, yeah. And then for the evaporation is liquid gas, yeah. For water, it happens at 100 degree of Celsius. So what about boiling? Yeah, so actually boiling is a process of starting point, yeah. Starting point. Um, no, not starting point, but boiling is partially partially evaporation, yeah. Okay, so let's say you have a pan here, and then you hit it with the fire. Okay, then the water will be boiled here, or boiling water. Yeah, so the boiling water is a process of partial evaporation, yeah. Because not all of this water, yeah, transform into gas, yeah. So in this boiling water, there are some part of water, it is still um, liquid, and some part of water, yeah, it it has been transformed into gas, yeah. Yeah, or also we can say this as the starting point, yeah, of evaporation. Okay. Okay, so we go back to this. So it's the timeline, yeah. We have the ice block, yeah, which is solid, yeah. The temperature is minus 20 degree of Celsius, and then we put heat, yeah, heat it, yeah. uh, and we put heat it, then the temperature will raise, yeah. It's still in the form of ice block, yeah, and also it is solid, yeah, but the temperature is 0 degree of Celsius. And then hit it again, the ice block, yeah, the ice block will transform into liquid water, yeah, liquid water, which is sorry, it is water, yeah, which is liquid, and the temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, and then we put heat again, yeah, and the phase is still liquid, yeah, and then we heat water into 100 degree of Celsius, yeah. So this is the 0 degree of Celsius is melting point, yeah. So melting point, and also for this one, 0 degree of Celsius is the melting point. Nah, 100 degree of Celsius is evaporation, not evaporation, see, actually it is boiling point, yeah. Boiling point, and in this point, yeah, the water will start to evaporate, yeah. Yeah, so the water will start to evaporate. Okay, and then if we put heat, yeah, into the water, yeah, and then the liquid will transform into gas, yeah, and the water will transform into steam, yeah, or uap air in bahasa Indonesia, and the temperature, yeah, it's still 100 degree of Celsius, yeah. And this is the evaporation point, yeah. Okay, yeah, so this is uh the timeline, yeah. So start from ice block minus 20 degree of Celsius, we put heat, yeah, and then the heat is used to raise temperature, yeah, rise temperature, and then from this one to this one, the temperature is same, yeah, it is 0 degree of Celsius, and also for this 0 degree of Celsius, but the ice block, yeah, which is solid, transform into liquid water. So the heat here is used to change phase, yeah. And then this is water, and it's still water, so it has same um, phase, yeah, and it is liquid, also liquid, so it is at the same phase, and the heat is used to raise the temperature, yeah, from 0 degree of Celsius to 100 degree of Celsius. So in this case the heat will be used to raise temperature, yeah. And then in this one, uh, the temperature is the same, yeah, 100 degree of Celsius, and also for this, but the phase is changed, yeah, from liquid to gas, yeah. So the heat in this case is used to change phase, yeah. Yeah, so this is the timeline, and um if we put this into graph, yeah, times versus temperature, then we will get this one, yeah. Okay, so I will zoom it, yeah. Okay, so at initial point, yeah, initial time, the ice block has minus 20 degree of Celsius, yeah, for the temperature, and then we rise, yeah, we rise the uh, temperature, yeah, by putting heat, yeah, into the ice block. So the temperature of this ice block will raise from minus 20 to 0 degree of Celsius, yeah. So the line, yeah, is rising here, yeah. And then for the melting process, yeah, the heat is not used to raise the temperature, yeah, but it is used to change the um, phase change, yeah. Okay, so this is uh, change phase, change phase, this CP, and then raising temperature will be written as RT, yeah. Okay, so in this point, yeah, it is raising temperature, and then for this point, yeah, it is change the phase, yeah. And then after all of the ice block is completely transformed into liquid water, then we still put heat here, yeah, we still put heat here, and then uh, the temperature will increase, yeah. So we find the graph is increasing like this. So in this point, yeah, the heat is used to raising the temperature, yeah. And after we get to the boiling point, yeah, which is 100 degree of Celsius, yeah, then the heat is used to transform the phase, yeah, or change the phase. So in this point, yeah, the condition is to change, yeah, the phase, yeah. Yeah, so this is the drawing or the image of phase transformation for water from minus 20 degree of Celsius into gas, yeah, into steam, with the temperature is 100 degree of uh, Celsius. Yeah, okay, so this is the explanation, yeah, for this example. And after this, we are going to learn about this example on the next video. And thanks for your attention.